Have yourself a little happy Christmas. Have a happy day. Let all your worries fall away. Once you have a little happy heart, let the dream start. Happy New Year is on its way.
Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, Organized with Joy. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. As you can see in today's video, I'm taking you along as I clean out my refrigerator. I really wanted to get this done before Christmas so that it was nice and neat and clean for all of the Christmas food that I would be adding to this fridge.
Everyone today, have yourself a little happy Christmas. Have a happy day. Let all your worries fall away. Once you have a little happy heart, let the dream start. Happy New Year is on its way.
So when I clean out my fridge, I have what I guess you could call 3 different levels of cleaning. The first level is if I just want to do a quick clean, I'll go in there with some all-purpose cleaner and just spray everything down and wipe everything down. And then if I want to do a little bit deeper of a clean, I will take the drawers and shelves out and wash them in my sink. And then sometimes I do a very deep clean and I put everything in the tub with some Dawn dish soap and let it soak. But on this day, I decided, as you can see, to just take things out and wash things in my sink. It definitely needed more of a deep clean on this day, but I just didn't have the time to be running up and down the stairs because we only have tubs upstairs. So it's kind of a lengthy process to do a deeper clean in the fridge.
Worries fall away. Have yourself a little happy heart. Let the dream start. Happy New Year is on its way. Oh, Happy New Year is on its way.
Your father fast asleep is your play. Kiss upon my cheek and we wait. Your silent nights relief. As we recall the words from our childhood, the magic of a star in the sky, the prophecies fulfilled. And I think I can hear the angels sing. There is come a child and a king. Peace upon the earth, 'cause he will bring love for all of our tired, cold hearts. La da la da la da la da. We close our eyes and wait for morning as earth anticipates the unfoldings. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. And I think I can hear the angels say, there is come a child and a king. He's up on the earth 'cause he will bring love for all of our tired cold hearts, for all of our tired cold hearts, for all of our.
As you can see, I like to have bins with labels for everything in my fridge on a day-to-day basis. This does work fairly well for us. Honestly, this fridge is probably a little bit too small for us, but I make it work. There are times when I do need to remove some of the bins, like especially around the holidays for all the extra food and casseroles to fit in there. But on the daily, it works really well to have these bins. It's really nice to have the bins too, because if something spills, it just spills in the bin and not all over the refrigerator, making cleanup a lot easier.
Snow is falling and I don't mind. Snow is falling and I don't mind. It's my favorite time of year. Oh, the joy and cheer. December morning and all is right.
We are in the final week right before Christmas, and it's an exciting time. I was wondering what you do for Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. What traditions do you have? Do you get together with family or friends? For us, we live fairly far away from most extended families, so typically it is just my husband and 3 children. Our 3 children are now young adults, but at least for now, we still have them all home with us for Christmas this year. So it'll be the 5 of us, and I do plan to make, I guess you could say, a traditional Christmas dinner with ham and casseroles and sides, and we will open presents and enjoy some really yummy food and just enjoy each other's company that day.
And all is right. And all is right. Busy, busy, and I don't mind. Hustle, and I don't mind. It's my favorite time of year. Staying in with good dear on this December morning. December morning. December morning and all is right. All is right. All is right. Future is bright and all is right. And all is right.
I did want to share a little story with you about Christmas traditions and getting married and kind of setting your own traditions and leaving behind maybe some of what you were used to when you were growing up and what your family did. But when I was growing up, I lived around extended family. We lived around grandparents and aunts and uncles, and we usually had multiple get-togethers. Oftentimes on Christmas Day, we would be traveling to different people's houses all day long and just be gone all day after we opened our presents at home on Christmas morning. But when I got married and I was with my husband's family for the first time on Christmas Day, they had this tradition of going and seeing a movie on Christmas Day. And I thought that that was so unusual. It was so weird to me to not be hustling and bustling around and going from house to house. And I just had to get used to that. And it's funny because the reason that was their tradition is because they also did not live close to extended family. And yet now here we are with my little family of 5, and we also don't live close to family. So we're not, going from house to house or going from Christmas party to Christmas party. We just kind of chill at our house. Oftentimes we just wear our pajamas all day, and it's just a low-key day. And now I'm really used to that, and I really enjoy that. I enjoy the slower pace, but it definitely took me some getting used to when I was first married.
I need no angel on the bridge to feel the warmth from the hearth this Christmas, from my darling and my kids. Oh, my darlings, if there's anything you wish, then I'll find it for you. We'll ride old Saint Nick, but leave no room on the list for me. I have everything I want and everything I need. If I'm not the richest man, I don't know who'll be. It ain't Potter in his mansion or the men of luxury. When the snow comes falling, you get closer to the flame. Oh, I ain't got much, and I've got everything the same. Send me no ghosts while I'm sleeping. I need no angel on the bridge to feel the warmth from the hearth this Christmas, from my darling and my kids. Send me no ghosts while I'm sleeping. I need no angel on the bridge to feel the warmth from the hearth this Christmas, from my darling and my kids. I want you to have my babies. Is that too much for me to say? I wanna be with you when we're 80 and chase the old fears and young tears away. And I wanna say I love you, have any more than just the words that lovers say. And I wanna make love to you, we'll greet the mornings as we kiss the nights away. But most of all, I wanna know what you're thinking about. Most of all, I wanna know your heart. After all, we've said it when we're tired of our doubts. After all, I'll love you as you are. After
So I wanted to talk about these uniform condiment bottles just in case I get questions or comments. So first of all, I really like having these uniform condiment bottles. Yes, it is extra work to stay on top of them and to transfer the condiments into these bottles. And what I do is if it doesn't fully fit in the bottle, then I will put it in the back of the refrigerator and I will refill as necessary. But once the product is fully gone, then I will wash the bottle out before I replace it with the new condiment, if that makes any sense. That way I'm sure to clean out the bottles on a regular basis and make sure we're not adding new product onto old product, if that makes sense.
Anything we gotta pay. But most of all, I wanna know what you're thinking about. Most of all, I wanna know your heart. After all, we've said it when we are tired of our doubts. After all, I love you as you are. After all, I love you as you are. Love you as you are. Yeah. I love you as you are.
Receive her key. Let every heart prepare room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Joy all around us. How could I not sing? Wonder,
I did actually also clean out my freezer on this day, but I chose not to film that because I didn't want this video to get too long given that it is a Vlogmas video, but I just thought I would mention that. That is why I'm not showing that process, but it was so nice to get my refrigerator and my freezer cleaned out before the holiday season.
righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. Joy all around us. How could I not see? Wonder, heaven is here. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart.
Well, friends, that is all I have for today's video. I do hope it gave you some motivation for your day. As always, I really appreciate you watching until the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.